Let's begin with Mr. Philip Battles. Mr. Battles, you're charged with capital murder.
So officers were dispatched out to a deceased victim who was found deceased outside of an apartment complex where it appears he was doing some gardening outside of the home. And when investigating, they spoke with a witness who stated that she observed a male back in that area as she was walking to her home. She witnessed someone whom she is not familiar with, who doesn't live in the area, walking towards her, and she saw him. And then she went to her door, and as she went inside, she heard 2 gunshots, immediately came outside, saw the same man running into an SUV and leaving. Officers were able to get video that showed an SUV following the complaining witness home into the apartment area, and then that same SUV immediately leaving after the shooting. The defendant was developed by officers due to the fact that he matched the description given by the witness. He was also a person of interest in several other robberies, and therefore they had a description already of him and had him developed in those other robberies. So when she gave the description of the person whom she had seen fleeing from the shooting, they immediately turned their attention to the defendant because he matched the description also in the other robberies. They were in the same general area as this particular murder. So what they did was they put him into a photo lineup and showed that to the witness, who immediately identified the defendant as the person she had seen not living in the area, walking in towards the complaining witness, hearing the 2 gunshots, and then fleeing from the complaining witness, getting in the SUV that officers saw in the video, following the complaining witness and leaving afterwards. So the officers then meet with the defendant and speak with him, and he states that he was there with 2 other guys to do a robbery, or in his words, to hit a lick, at which point in time the complaining witness was shot. The defendant states that he was not the shooter, but that he was there when all of that happened.
Taken?
We're not sure. We don't have any evidence. I don't have anything that suggests that there was one. He just admits that he was there to hit a lick and rob the complaining witness.
Mr. Battles, I find probable cause for your arrest. You are set at a no bond. This case has been assigned to the 248th District Court, where you're going to see Judge Cabanis. Will you be hiring a lawyer, Mr. Battles, or asking to be considered for a court-appointed lawyer? Yes, sir. Please see the bailiff.